We can convert from one imperial unit to another using the same techniques we learned for metric units. Jim's measuring tape only uses inches, and he measures the height of a door to be 90 inches tall, but he needs to know this measurement in feet. So we have to go from inches into feet, and to do that we're going to need to know the relationship between feet and inches, and you might remember this one by now is 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So we want to convert 90 inches, so we start by writing down that initial measurement, and then we're going to multiply it by a fraction with that feet and inches relationship. So we have to have inches on the bottom to get rid of the inches, and feet on top because that's the unit we want to have left over. And we put in 1 foot for every 12 inches. And you'll see that we have a fraction here with our number on the bottom. So we have 90 times 1/12 is 90 over 12, or 90 divided by 12. And so that's one we can do in our calculator, 90 divided by 12. And we get that this is equal to 7.5 feet. Don't forget those units at the end there. Let's do one more example here. So workers near Seattle need to build 3.8 miles worth of fencing, but the fence panels are sold in yards. So we need to know about how many yards worth of fencing that they'll need to purchase. So we are going from miles into yards. And so we need to know that relationship. We can look that one up from our previous list of unit conversions, and that's 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards. So we start with our first measurement, 3.8 miles. And now we're going to multiply it by that fraction. We have to have miles on the bottom to get rid of our miles, yards on top so that we end up with yards at the end. And we fill in that relationship of 1,760 yards for every 1 mile. There we go, we're going to cancel away our miles. And now we have 3.8 times 1,760. So 3.8 times 1,760. Again, let's do this one in our calculator. And we get that 3.8 miles is equal to 6,688 yards.